San Francisco, the city by the bay. So grab your camera and let's dive in. Our journey begins with the iconic Golden Gate Bridge, spanning the entrance to San Francisco Bay. This crimson marvel is a photographer's dream. Alcatraz, once the notorious prison. Imagine the chilling stories of intimates like Al Capone, the infamous escape attempts. Hungry? Head to the Fisherman Wharf. Sample clam powder in soda bowls. Watch the playful sea lions and catch the glimpse of the historic ships. It's a feast for the senses. Escape the city buzz and immerse yourself in the nature of Muir Woods. These ancient redwoods will make you feel tiny. Last but not the least, Chinatown. Lose yourself in its colorful allies. Savor dim sum and shop for unique souvenirs. The energy here is contagious. It's all about feeling the city pulse. So grab your sourdough bread ball. Ride a cable car, embrace the fog. Until next time, keep exploring.